I recently shared an updated blowout routine, which I will link below this video, but I wanted to share something I found to help maintain my blowout while working out. I used the Nicole Ari Parker gem wrap I got from Sally Beauty, and I love it. This wrap is designed to transfer heat and wick moisture away with tri-layer evaporation technology. After sweating it up, I have to agree, it really absorbed a lot of sweat from my scalp. After taking my hair down, I have damp roots, but this is far easier to fix than just wearing a scarf that doesn't absorb anything, leaving all of the sweat to just sit in the hair. I am going to use my Ion Magnesium dryer on medium with a Denman paddle brush to dry the roots, and then I'm going to go back in with the Silk Elements round bristle brush to re-smooth the roots and edges. The tension of the brush with the ceramic heat are going to allow the hair to be re-stretched but not overheated. This is a way for me to still be active while wearing a blowout without having to re-flat iron, and this only takes a few minutes to do. After I am done drying all of the sections, I'm going to separate my hair into two parts, apply a tiny bit of Cheese Silk Infusion, which is also new at Sally, and Bantu knot and hold it with pins. I have another video showing a similar version of this, which I will link below. It has some additional product recommendations and tips. Now I am going to cover with my satin scarf to smooth the perimeter hair down while I get dressed. About 35-45 minutes later, I am going to release the knots, use my rake comb to situate the hair, and that is it. Super easy way for me to maintain a blowout while working out. You can find links to other thermal care tutorials, including how this blowout was done, as well as links to everything used in this tutorial in the About section below this video, or by visiting MoKnowsHair.com.